definitely an ice storm warning.
Grant, Mason, Owen, Pendleton, and Robertson in the following counties in Ohio.
That was definitely my first ice storm warning.
Significant icing continuing. Additional snow accumulations of 1 to 3 inches and ice accumulations of 2/10 to 1/2 of an inch. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles an hour.
Ah, that's not good.
Damage are likely due to the ice. Travel could be nearly impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Wind chills will likely fall to near or below 0 degrees Friday night into Saturday morning. Travel is strongly discouraged. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water
That
in your
isn't gonna
vehicle
be
in
good.
case of an emergency. Prepare for possible power outages.
We're already having.
Additional information can be
We
found
already
at
had rain, so
www.weather.gov/ILN, as well as on our Facebook and Twitter pages.
we already had rain. Now we're having sleet and snow.
Here are the 11 a.m. weather conditions.